Hello everyone. Welcome. My name is Lucas, and today we are going to be building a uh, web app, specifically a talent marketplace like this, where we have different people with different skills, um, different categories under a specific person. Basically, going to be building a uh, talent marketplace completely with no code, specifically with Framer. Um, so I've discovered this new tool. I mean, it's not really new, but I think it's about a year old. It's called FramerAuth. And basically, what I want to do is I want to use FramerAuth to create authentication, create a landing page using Framer, add authentication, and uh, behind that authentication, you would get basically um, a screen with different talent, with different skills, and you can read more about that specific talent. And you'd also get a screen of different jobs. So I want it to be for talents and for jobs, and also give the ability to apply as a talented person, or apply as a person that's you know offering jobs. So I kind of have that rough idea in my head. I also see that there's this amazing showcase here, and I saw this specific template, and I clicked preview, and I really liked how they did it. They have a really nice landing page, and then if you continue as a guest, I'm not really sure how it is, but if you sign up, you add some first name and some random email and some random password. You sign up. Then you can see that there are different properties here. You can search different properties. This is really cool because you can search the different categories, and then you can search the different agents. So for example, this can be something like, we can make something similar to this where we have a sidebar, and then we can search different people that are talented in, let's say, web design, web development, and then here we can do a search of different jobs. It doesn't have to be so sophisticated like this. This is amazing, actually. This takes a big amount of work, but I at least want to start getting the ball rolling and showing you guys how to get your feet wet with Framer and FramerAuth. So by all means, let's head into Framer. Actually, before we head into Framer, let us do something, and let us go to the FramerAuth website. And what we want to do is we want to go here, and we want to click Start Free Trial. And then we want to choose something like this. And then we put in our information. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. So I am now in, and it says your subscription has been created, so check your email. So let me just click here, view order. And once we have that, we have this summary of our order. Now I just have to open my email and enter through there. So now I got this code, I just put it in. I'm going to log in. And now we have this guide. It says, let's connect your Framer site to FramerAuth. So don't worry, you can change this later. So in my experience, because I tried doing this before this tutorial, the best thing would be to just do this step and not skip it. So I'll just write a project name. I'm going to write, for example, talent marketplace. I'm going to put the test website, which is, and this is important, you want to, eventually you're going to want to have a paid plan for this. So I have not the mini site, but the basic site plan. So that's important to have. So let me just click on this. and put this as my test website and live website because I don't have a domain right now. And sign up requires license key, yes. So basically, whenever someone would log into your to their membership, they would require a license key from Lemon Squeezy. So if basically they're going to pay with Lemon Squeezy, they're going to get a key that's specific to them. So, hold on, we gotta have a live domain. So let's do that. 1 second. Okay, let's just do this. So, talent marketplace. Let's see if this was okay. So this is our live website. My bad. Let's continue. All right. So allow visitors to sign up to access locked content without requiring a purchase or collect payments and gate content. So we actually don't want them to pay to get access. We just want them to have an email sign up, right? So let's just continue with this for now. How did you hear about FramerAuth? I actually heard it from Twitter, so I'm just going to click that and then finish. So now let's proceed. Before you do anything, I would highly suggest that you watch the tutorials. And they're really, really good. I think this is the one that I watched that was pretty good.
Hey everyone, my name is Danny, and press Command F.
Yeah, so they have really good tutorials that teach you how to get started before you actually do the setup steps. So I would recommend you doing that. They also have nice little videos here of how to set it up. So first thing is we gotta add this to the top, to the start of the body tag. So let's do that. So we copy this, we go to Framer, we go to our general, and then we scroll down to start of body tag. We paste this, click save, and then it saves. Hopefully, let's just double check. I always like to double check this. Yes, it saves. So we go back here. I'm just gonna put this because I always do this responsiveness at the same time. So we navigate to this, we did this, components. All right, place form components on the designated page. Stylize as you'd like using the controls. So basically we have different components and different pages for each component. So we're gonna have a sign up page, we're gonna have a sign in page, we're gonna have a forgot password page, update password page, account page, and yeah, we don't really need this one. So let's start up with the sign up page. So let's copy this. So let us see this again just to double check. Let's go to Framer. Let's create a new page. This is by duplicating, and we call it sign up. Actually, before we duplicate it, let's stylize this page, this home page, and let's use our Blocs plugin where we have like free blocks of nav bars. Let's use this nav bar, and let's make this a fill width. Let's put a hero section. Okay, I can only use this first one. Fill, and let's put a content section. Two content sections, whatever. 3. We don't need this. We're just trying to, populate the page. Figures, we can put this. Oh, I can't use it. Can't use this either. Can't use any of the figures. Logos. All right. can use any of these. FAQ. All right, doesn't matter. And then let's put a footer at the very bottom. Right. So let's make sure that everything is at a fill width, not relative. All right, once we're done with that, let's now duplicate this page by right-clicking and putting sign up. And now we want to basically just delete everything. Let's make like a legit sign up page where we just put the sign up thing over here. We can actually put it up here. And we can fill it. Let's think about the design later. Yeah, let's just make sure that everything works. All right, so we have the sign up page. We have the sign in page. So let me do that. Let me close my email. So duplicate, sign in. Let's copy. And let's go back to Framer and paste. Fill. Right, so we got sign up, sign in. And we want to go here. Forgot password. Forgot password. Fill. Boom. Duplicate. Update password. Update password. Update password. Again, we want to do the fill thing. And then go like this. And then we want to do the account. So once the user is logged in, I guess you can edit some account details. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to make these overrides. So in assets on the top left, find code, click the plus icon and select new override, name the file FramerAuth, and click create. So let's do that. So let's go here, assets, code, new override, FramerAuth, create, Command A, delete, Command V, Command S. It's created. Now we did that. Create sign in, sign up, and sign out buttons. So add 3 buttons in your navigation. Okay, to your sign in and sign up, apply the override with logged out. So that means that whenever the user is logged out, so if you're completely new to this landing page, you're gonna see the sign in and sign up buttons. But when you're logged in, you're gonna see the sign out button. So that's the logic that starts. So let's create those 3 buttons. So let's go to Framer. Let's go into our nav bar. And what we want to do is we want to let's duplicate this one. And let's call this, what was it? Sign up, sign in, sign up, sign out. So maybe we can make the blue one the sign up button. Sign up. We can make this sign in. and we can make this sign out. Okay. And now we have to assign the overrides. So FramerAuth. So this is going to be with logged out, with logged out, and then this is going to be with logged in, right? So again, we're going to see these when we're new, when we're logged out, and when we're logged in, we only see this button. It's going to collapse, so we're going to see one, so it's going to look nice. It's going to be in the very right, because the thing is going to collapse. I hope so. Let's see. So add 3 sign up buttons. Okay, perfect. So we did that. Hooray! You completed all required setup tasks. Okay. So what we want to do now, let's just skip these things because we don't really need this. Our components seem to be up to date. Personalize user accounts. This would be nice to display the user's name, apply the with first name override to text to display the user's email. So we can do this later. Let's just first get this. Let's just first get this up and running, and then we can focus on these later things. So we want to sync the pages. Why aren't they syncing? Good question. Let me check. All right, so I just synced my pages. There was some error with the updating in Framer. So I was here and there was like some type of error. So I had to fix it. So I pressed update, and it seems to work. So now all of the pages are here. And what we want to do is we want to basically create like protected pages, right? So we have our pages and we want to make member only pages. So what we want to do with this is we want to go to Framer, we want to go to pages, we want to click, let's make a new page that says, or it's called talent pool, and actually let's duplicate it, sorry, delete, let's duplicate it from the home. Talent pool, and let's duplicate this one, and let's call it job pool. Actually, just to make our lives simpler, let's just make a talent pool. For now, it's just going to be a talent marketplace. So we have this page. Let's publish, let's update. Let's go here again. Let's sync our pages, and now we should see it. So we see it right here. Let's go like this. Save changes. Pages updated. Okay. So let me sync again just to make sure. Okay, it seems to be working. So I remember I did this last time, and I sorry, I went to this, and I have to obviously link it. Hold on, let me go here and let me go to home and link this button to that hidden page, right? So talent pool. Let me publish. And what I remember is that I tried to do this, but it wasn't working last time. But so let's see. So it's still taking me, even though the page is protected, right? Even though it's not supposed to be taking me here. So that was the issue that I ran into last time, and I know how to fix it, but let me just double check. So what I basically want to do is I want to create, so we can link this to this, oh, sorry, we're not on the right page. We can link this here to the talent pool like we did here, but we want to add an override that basically says that if the person is not logged in, to take it to a new page. Let's actually name this talent pool, and if the person is not logged in, to make it to a new page called like it would be called like access denied. Let's call it. So, right. So basically, with what I did is that I put two buttons here. One is for with logged in and one is for with logged out talent pool. So if I publish this and I go back to Chrome and I go to my Framer site, I don't know why it's not showing. So I basically made a mistake. It's with logged out, so now it should work. So if I click on this, click on talent pool, it's going to take me to access denied. Now I don't want it to be access denied. I would like it to be something like I would like it to be the sign up page. I don't want it to be so negative. I want it to be more like the sign up page, right? So what we can do is we can take people to the sign up page so that they can sign up for this with their email. So let's replace this with the sign up link. So let me just add the link for this. So if I go here, it should be the sign up page. This should be the sign in page. This should be the home page. Exactly. Actually, if they want to sign out, that's a good question. Let me see how I can do that. So basically with this sign out button, we have to put this one. So that's something that I missed out on. So let's just go back and let's do that. So we have the talent pool, the two different overrides, one for logged in, this one for logged out, which would be this one. This one, let's say that instead of going to the access denied, we can go to the sign up page, right? And let's worry about this later. So we have, go back here. Let me just publish this. Go back here. Oh, now it's not working. Okay, so I basically found this template from here, and I can use it for free just to analyze what was going wrong with my nav bar and the sign out button. So what I saw here is that they are using with sign out, and instead of using with logged out or with logged in, they're using with sign out. So let's try that really quick to see if we're going to be able to see it. And let's just publish this real quick. Let's go back to our Framer site. So now we can't see it, right? Okay, let's just do a really quick test. So let's change it. Let's change the text everywhere so we're not confused. So this homepage is the homepage of the talent pool. You are currently logged out / haven't created an account. Feel free to do so. Okay, so that's it. And then to learn more, we're gonna do that only when the user is logged out. So we want to do while logged out. Learn more, and it's going to take you to home. And so let's make a scroll section over here, actually over here. Scroll section FAQ. And we're going to do that link. Where is it here? Link FAQ. And then let's just publish it like that. So let's do a little round. Let's go back to Chrome. Let's refresh. This is the home page of the talent pool. You're currently logged out. So let's log in really quick and try it out. So let's click on talent pool. Let's pick a name. Let's put my name. Let's put my email. Let's put some random email. Lukas@hotmail.com. Let's put some random password. Sign up. Okay, create an account successfully. Right. I guess we are logged in now. This is the home page of your currently. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's go back. So we're signed in already. So I would like to know that whenever I'm signed in, I can be able to access my talent pool like already. I don't want to see the same thing, you know? So let's see how we can do that. Let's see how it works in this copy Padawan copy project. So we have this. Let's do this. And okay, now we're signed in. So there was like a redirect somehow. How can we do that? Let's look at this. Sign up. So there's like some code override somewhere. Give me a second to find. So my guess now is that we're gonna have to hide this once the user's logged in the sign up page. And we're gonna have to say while they're logged in, this is hidden, and we're gonna have like a nice text saying welcome, view the talent pool, right? So let's do that. So we go back here to Framer. We're gonna put a code override that says while logged out, and then we're gonna go back to home, and we have this nice section over here. We're gonna copy it, and we're gonna go back to the sign up page, and we're gonna press paste. And we're gonna put this, oops. I'm gonna go like this. So thanks for signing up. And then we say talent pool. Yeah. Okay. And then this would be basically this, not this. This we can remove this. This whole section will be viewed only while logged out. And this whole section will be viewed while in. So let's go back to Chrome. Let's sign out. Let's go to talent pool. Let's sign in at chrome.com. I don't know. .de at sign up. Okay, it didn't work. Why doesn't it work? In the talent pool. Okay. Yeah, but that's not. Why isn't it working? Let's try again. So we got talent pool. Then we're gonna sign up. Okay, awesome, it worked. I just didn't update the Framer page, but now it works. So take me to talent pool. Now we're in the talent pool. Now I want to sign out, and I want to search talent pool, and it takes you to the talent pool, even though I'm not signed in. And I want to do that. I want there to be. Maybe we can put an override on the page. So what we can do is let's select this. Maybe I'm not doing it the right way, but let's just select this and publish this. Okay, it's hidden. So, I mean, that's okay. That works for now. It's good. Works for now. All right. So we want to go in here. I'm going to make a name. Sign up. Never. And now I want to go here. I want to go to my dashboard. In my dashboard, I want to go to members. There should be members because I did sign up. Or maybe is it because I'm using this fake thing? This is something that I'm interested in knowing how it works. Oh, it's because we're in test mode. So let's remove test mode. Okay, here are the different emails. Cool, okay. So basically this is it. We have a nice working thing going on here. So we're still signed in. We can go directly here. Okay. Now comes the fun part. Now the functional part works. So now comes the fun part. So the fun part is basically building the talent pool. And what we want to do is we want to make a nice little design where we have this little talent pool. So let's just delete everything here except for the navbar and for the footer. Oh, what is this? Let me just fix this. Oh, this is not nice. Okay, I hope that I don't have to do this for every page. Okay, I do. Let me just fix this, guys. I'll be right back. So I've updated the footers. Now let's go to the talent pool design. And I want to, like I said, I want to create a, sorry, one second. A side nav, and on the right side we have like a stack of different freelancers with different pictures of them, right? So let's do that. So we have our layers. We have the navbar and the footer. Let me just replace this with the footer that I made, so it's a component as well. And now what we want to do is we want to add a row here. Not rows. Just do it like this. All right, perfect. And I want to make this fill. I want to make this fit content. Yes. And so we have the stacks like this. We want to make it like this. And then on the left, we have the thing, the left panel, and on the right we have basically the section that, you know, shows the different freelancers. So on the left, let's make the left panel. So let's make this not relative but fixed. Maybe start with 50. No, too small. So how would this look like in some website like Contra? I think that was one of the websites that I was looking at. Yeah, this one. So they have this on the right side. It doesn't matter. We have people, services, and projects. So we can do that. We can set up a CMS where we have people, services, and projects. So by doing so, we can create a CMS, add a blog, and we can call this talents. We can call this services. We can call this, for example, web design. We can call this web developer. We can call this animator, and copywriter. And we can call this copywriter. So we got our services, and then we can start off with just talents and services, because projects is just random projects. I don't know, maybe we can do it. Yeah, why not? Let's just do it. Let's call it featured projects. So, let's do it for the sake of this video. Let's just do two. So we have talents and services, because if I try to add one, we have to upgrade it to a more expensive site, and I just want to show a basic web application. So I'm just, like I said, I'm using the basic pricing, which is I think $20 a month for this video. And if you want to, make a kick-ass talents pool, pay a little bit more, and you can add more CMS collections. For today, we're not doing that. So this one is going to be called, let's call it Fio Gonzalez. Let's call this one David Fletcher. This one can be Randy Moss. This one can be called Yin, and this one can be called Rico Westland. All right, and then we call this one Fio Gonzalez. We can call this David Fletcher, Randy Moss, Yin, and Rico Westland. So for each person, we obviously need a picture. So woman, Fio is going to be a woman. Her name is Fiorella. This can be her. David is a guy, so let's choose a picture of a guy. So let's write guy. This is David. Let's go for Randy. He's also a guy. I'll choose. Let's go plugins. Guy. This is Randy. Yin is going to be a Asian woman. It's gonna be Yin, okay. And Rico can be a guy. This guy. All right. So we got our 5 freelancers who have 5 different services. It's already populated, which is great. Here we can write some content about what their services are about. We can also edit the fields. So we have their slug, which is their link. We have their date. This is also going to be interesting because it's going to be interesting to do like this protected page for each link, because I know that, well, maybe we can do that in the, we'll see later. So we have date joined. Let's write date joined, image, profile, image. And what you can do is you can build something like this, and you can manually, update it, and then like gather like really cool talent and go to local businesses and say, hey, I got an animator, I got a copyright team here for you. You can choose which one you want, and you can make like a local job marketplace, and you can go to the university and kind of like say, hey kids, you want to, I'm getting local companies on board, and you can get an internship. I don't know. You can be creative in that manner. Content, so this is going to be their biography content. And then we can add something like a link. We can add a portfolio link. We can add a gallery, I think. Can we? Can we add a gallery? Oh, we can add a gallery in the rich content, so in the formatted text, so gallery. So what we can do is, and then what you can do is you can add some pictures like this. You can, add multiple pictures by just clicking here and selecting it from your computer. If these people are going to be applying to this particular job board, they can, while they apply, you can ask them for pictures via email, and then you can manually put this here in the CMS. So this is just like a really quick and dirty, job portal. So we have our 5 talents. We have our 4 services. Let's go back here, and we do not want to have this. We do not want this to be we want this to be, let's call this like this, and let's call this talent pool page. So, and then this we can just, for now, copy what we need, which is these 2 components, and then we can go to the layers. Let's create each thing. Let's remove these stupid paddings. I don't know why Framer does that, but they should stop doing it. And let's just do it like this. So we have this. This content should be in another stack. That is in another stack that is fill. And this stack should also be fill. And it should have a nice padding on the side of, I would say 20, 20. And then this content should be fill. And it should not have a max width, so let's remove that. And we have this content, right? Let's actually remove this title. We have this content, and we want to add another frame here. So, sorry, not here. We want to add a frame. Let's just put it here. And we want to add it together with this. Where's the content? There's the stack. We want to put it together in a stack. And we want to make the stack like this. And we want to make this frame eventually it's going to be a stack too. So let's make this stack have a height of the viewport, and let's make the frame have a width fill and the height of the fill. And then we want this stack to have a width, yes, a width, a relative width, like we were saying before, not relative, a fixed width of about 200. For the mobile, let's make it more like this. It's going to be different in the mobile. It's obviously going to change a bit. I would like this to not be a stack but a grid. I think it looks better like that, honestly. Then let's just organize everything so it looks nice. So we have everything kind of aligned. Kind of like if the image is also fill and has a nice, sorry, not fill here, but has a nice height. And let's make the talents thing fit the content. So fill, actually no, sorry. This side will be fill. Perfect. So now it's already looking better. So we have like on the right side, this section here. We just want to make everything nicer. We want to have this content have add some padding. Maybe 20 would be nice. Let's make the stack go like this. And let's make this, let's put a text here. And instead of making it a frame, oops. Okay, let's do it again. I have to actually write the text, okay. Instead of making it a frame, we put it into a stack so that this stack can fill the width. And then we want to delete this and add a few things, right? So this is going to be the content. So if we go back here, so first of all, we want to put like a filter. And I know that it's possible if we add something like CMS, where was it? Collections, services, talents. So, no. I wanted to add like some filter that if you can click something, it's gonna show. So where are we now? Where was this? Here. So we have people, hourly rate. That's something that we can add as a filter. Location and languages. So let me think of how we can do this. So basically what we can do is we can create a component. So this is going to be, let's take a look at the services again. I forgot what they were. So it's web design, developer, animator, copywriter. Design, developer, animator, copywriter. So basically what we want to do now is we want to create a component of this. And how are we going to do that? We basically make this, select this, and we go create component. And this is going to be the service selector component. So let's create this. Okay, it's cool that it's now all in, it's basically all, why isn't this so interesting? interesting. Oh, sorry, let me just decrease this. I don't know why it's not working with the phone. Okay. Right, fix it. Okay. So let's decrease this. For the phone, we also don't want it to be 3 columns, we want it to be 1 column. For this, we also want it to be, I would say, 2 columns. So what we want to do is that when I click this, so we want to make a design variant. So we can call this design desktop. And then we want to go like this. I would say for all of them, design tablet, design phone. And let's just copy paste. This one is going to be called developer desktop, developer tablet, developer mobile. So now what we want to do is that we want to, whenever someone selects design, everything is going to be grayer here. So we're going to make it like 20%. And then this collection is going to have a certain filter. And I gotta see where I can find that filter. It's here. And what we want to do is here. We want to put talents. It is talents, but we want to put a filter to all and choose categories, contains, web design. So only these 2 checks show up because they're design, right? And the same with this. And now with this, we want to do the exact, we want to do the next one. So we're going to put this 20%, we're going to put this 100, and we're going to put we're going to have to connect this. Well, we're gonna have to do the connections later, but it's gonna take some time. So I'm just gonna do the same filter to developer, animator, and copywriter. So basically, it's just changing the font color and going here to this talents thing and changing this to the next one. So this will be web developer, right? So it's gonna be this one, and same here will be a web developer. So this is a little bit of tedious work. So let me just do that and I will be back once that's done. So once you have that done, you have these sets per category, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we have design, developer, animator, copywriter. Now what we want to do is that for everything here, every button here, we want to connect it to the corresponding interaction. So it's going to be a new interaction. On click, it's going to bring you to design desktop because this is design desktop. So in interaction, new interaction on click, set variant to developer desktop. On interaction, new transaction, click, takes you to animator desktop. And then the last one is going to do the same thing, interaction, new interaction, set variant to copy desktop. And we just got to go through the other ones because we don't want this to be to the desktop. We want this to be to the design tablet. We want this to be to the developer tablet, and so on and so forth. We're going to do this with the tablets, and we're going to do it with the phone, just making sure everything works. Sure, this is a little bit, I'm not the classic framer teacher, but I'm just trying to show you hands-on how to do everything. I learned the best while watching videos like this, so I hope you guys are, if you're sticking here so long, I hope you're enjoying this. So let's just review everything. So design desktop, developer desktop, so this should be working fine. Copy desktop, animator desktop. Okay, let's go to this. This should be to design tablet. So it's usually the tablet ones that are kind of quirky, but the tablet and the mobile, because the interactions get carried on from the desktop and they pass over to all of the other ones. So design phone, developer phone, animator phone, copy. So as you can see, it's quite a little bit of work. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do this stuff, but good things don't come easy, right? So design tablet, developer tablet, animator tablet, copy tablet. And let's do the same for the phone. Developer, design, phone, developer, phone, animator, phone, copy, phone. And don't you worry, guys, once we're done with this, we're going to do a nice little test session to see how everything works. Okay, so we have the desktop. Okay, this works. Now comes this design tablet, developer tablet, animator tablet, copy tablet. Okay, and then with the phone, I think I know this guy. I don't know, I've seen him before. Design, phone, developer, mobile, animator, phone, and copywriter, mobile. Okay, so let's cross our fingers and hope this works. So we go here, let's replace this. This is design desktop, this should be design tablet, and this design phone. Perfect. So let's see if this works. So we got developer. Okay, cool. It's working. Nice. So how about on the phone? We got developers, animator. Okay. So let's publish this again really quick. Let's do a test run, right? So let's go here to the website. Let's sign out. Let's again try to sign up. Put our name at hotmail.com. Boom, 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 bam, bam, bam. Uppercase, special letter here. Okay, sign up. Okay. Okay, now we got the talent pool. Thanks for signing up. Oh, okay, it's still linking to this old website. So let's go to Framer, and it's still linking to the old page. So let's go here, and when it's logged in, while logged out, it takes you to sign up. While logged in, it should take you to talent pool, not talent pool 2, talent pool 1. What's talent pool 2 anyways? We're not even using it. So let's just delete this. Delete. Now let's publish, update. And let's go back. Let's refresh. Talent pool. Okay, so now we have our little talent pool. So we have the developers, the animators, copywriters. And we can decrease the size, and it's looking good. And we have our freelancer page, which doesn't have a, oh, they have their little the next one. Okay, we can edit this a little bit by going to Framer, going to talents. So this is actually a really cool project as well for learning CMS. Again, let's go like this, and we gotta select this and just make it. All right, so now let's resume. So yeah, let's just remove the gap here, and we can basically edit this. We can make this image large. We can add this on top of this. Let's also do this because it's important that we can see the phone and the tablet view. So tablet, it looks pretty massive. It looks pretty massive. I would also maybe go like this and decrease the size, make it in the middle somehow. Maybe I would do the same. Actually, let's disregard that. Let's edit the image from the desktop perspective so that it all goes down right like this. We can make it left aligned. We can make this also left aligned. This can be like this. Right, so, and then eventually we can add the, what is this? This is the next one. How is that gonna be like? So we can add the, okay, it's gonna have this talent, the next talent here. So we can even eventually make it look like that. So let's go back to our pages. So we got the talent pool. Also, I want to, did I add the override here? No, I haven't added the override. So let's just re-add this override. So I don't know if it's with auth or while logged in. Let's just try with auth. And I want to see how that looks like. I don't think it's gonna work, but maybe I'm wrong. So let's go here and sign out. And then that's it's gonna be slash talent pool. Talent pool. Okay, yeah, you see it doesn't work. So instead of with auth, we're gonna put while logged in and publish like that. And refresh and put the talent pool again. Still showing, which is interesting because it shouldn't be showing. Talent pool. So we have these two, and the component basically works. Maybe we can just hide the component. Maybe we can just add the code override to this. while logged in. Yeah, I think this should work. Simple. Yeah, good. All right, so basically that's it. So we have a home page of the talent pool. You're currently logged out, so let's just go like this. We have the name, the email at go.com, password, boom, 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 boom. And then we got this. And then we can basically choose everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Basically, the people that would be logging in are people looking for jobs. And not people looking for jobs, people looking for talent. And it's a free tool. You just need your email. And that's it. So we can obviously style it a little bit more, make it look much nicer. I think it looks like crap right now, but we can do something like this, like the height can fit the content. Actually, no, the height should be viewport. Actually, no. This should be distribute to start. And then we can add some padding at the top. And then every stack can have a nice little design where we have a, can we add a padding? Probably sure, yeah. $20. Can I just go like this? Okay. So this is gonna be also 20, 20, 20, 20, and 20, 20, and then does that bring to the other sides? Yeah. Okay, and then for the phone, we just gotta make it fit the content. And then what we gotta do here is that for everyone, let's make some nice little border color that is very low in transparency. And does that make it look better? I don't know. I don't think so. But let's just, this is just the, you know, the important thing is that we can build an app that works. It's not the best app, but it's all with no code, which is pretty cool, right? So let's see how this works, how this looks out. Okay, so we have this, boom, 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 boom. So in terms of design, you know, the opportunities are endless. You can add a bunch of different things. You can go back to the talent pool if it allows me. Okay, I still have to correct this home button here. Missing. Okay, so let's add the talent pool. Perfect. Publish. Now we can just refresh. Talent pool. There we go. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're interested in actually in the design part, let me know, because I go through a lot of, you know, framer development process here. But if you're really interested in making it look nice, making it kind of look like this, like with this nice hover effect, button hover effect, cool icons, you know, cool badges, let me know, and we can use this project and pimp out the design. So today it's just about building the web app, and then the next video can be about designing it. So let me know what you guys think about this, and we can proceed from there. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I was really looking forward to making this video today, and I really hope you liked it, and I hope you learned a lot too. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help. And yeah, like I said, if you want to see more designing, let me know, and I can totally do that. We can do it together. And yeah, hope you guys have a nice rest of your day.